Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of brittle nails that just can't seem to hold up, you're going to want to hear about this one. Today, we're taking a closer look at the NAIL-AID Collagen Power Coat, a clear nail treatment designed to transform your nails in a matter of days. This product promises mega strength, extreme shine, and a long-lasting manicure. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details and see if it's worth the investment. NAIL-AID's Collagen Power Coat is marketed as a high-performance nail treatment that claims to prevent splitting and cracking while boosting nail strength. It's designed to give you thicker, more resilient nails in just 3 days. The product is also said to provide a glossy, salon-quality shine that can last up to 2 weeks. But how does it actually perform when you put it to the test? The first thing I noticed when applying the product is its smooth yet easy-to-apply texture. The formula glides on without any streaking, which is a big win, especially for those who struggle with nail polish application. It dries almost instantly, creating a hard, protective layer over the nail. The result is a sleek, glossy finish that definitely looks like it came from a professional salon. When I tested the product over the course of a few days, I did notice a difference in the strength of my nails. After just a few days, my nails felt noticeably thicker, and there was a reduction in the usual splitting and cracking I tend to experience, especially on my more fragile nails. That being said, the claim of thicker nails in just 3 days is a bit of a stretch for me. While they did feel stronger, I didn't see a massive change in the overall thickness of the nail in such a short time. Still, it's an improvement that's definitely noticeable over time. Now, about that extreme shine, this is where the product truly shines. The finish is mirror-like and stays glossy throughout wear. I was particularly impressed by how the shine lasted. Even after several days, my nails retained that freshly manicured look. And as promised, the product did hold up well for almost 2 weeks without chipping or dulling, making it ideal for anyone who doesn't have the time for constant touch-ups. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this formula is incredibly easy to use and dries quickly, which is a big win for busy people. The high shine finish is stunning and truly does last for over a week without losing its luster. It also does a good job at preventing nail splitting and cracks, which is fantastic for those with weaker nails. However, there are a few things to consider. While it did help with strength, I didn't see as dramatic a difference in the thickness of my nails as I expected. Also, if you're someone with very dry or damaged nails, you might not see immediate results. This product is a great preventive measure, but if you're looking for a quick fix for really bad nails, it might not be a miracle worker right away. In terms of value for money, the NAIL-AID Collagen Power Coat is reasonably priced for the benefits it offers. It's not as expensive as salon treatments, and considering the long-lasting effects and the fact that it helps maintain strong, healthy nails, I think it's definitely a worthwhile investment for anyone who struggles with weak nails. As for comparisons, I'd say this product holds up well against similar nail strengtheners, especially when it comes to shine and longevity. Some other products might offer similar strengthening claims, but few deliver on the long-lasting glossy finish that this one does. If you're looking for something that provides that shiny, durable manicure without the need for constant reapplication, this is a strong contender. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but functional. It's easy to store, and the brush applicator is designed to make precise application a breeze. The formula itself feels smooth and isn't too thick, which allows for an even coat on each nail. Customer support isn't something I've had to use with NAIL-AID yet, but their reputation for good customer service is well known within the beauty industry. If you have any issues or need help, I'm confident they'll provide prompt and helpful assistance. Now, if you're looking for alternatives that provide similar results but at a lower price, there are a few options out there. While they may not have the collagen-infused formula, some drugstore brands offer nail strengtheners that can give you similar results, though they might not have the same high shine finish or lasting power. In conclusion, the NAIL-AID Collagen Power Coat is a solid option for anyone looking to strengthen and protect their nails while keeping a glossy, salon-quality finish. It's not a miracle worker for thickening nails overnight, but it definitely helps prevent damage and promote stronger nails over time. If you're someone who frequently struggles with splitting or cracked nails, this could be a game changer. If you've tried this product or have your own thoughts on nail strengthening treatments, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.